Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the world of English, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is based. It's an A2 level adjective that means built on something. Let's dive in and explore what this word is all about. When we say something is based, we mean it has a foundation or is grounded in something else. For example, a movie might be based on a true story, or a decision might be based on evidence. It's a simple word that helps us explain where ideas, actions, or objects come from, or how they are supported. Some synonyms for based include founded, rooted, and grounded. Here's how you might use these in sentences. The company was founded on strong ethical values. Her opinion is rooted in years of research. Their argument was grounded in solid facts. On the other hand, antonyms for based include unrelated, independent, and separate. For instance, you could say, his decision was unrelated to the data provided. Their work is completely independent of any external influence. The two ideas are separate and not connected. In everyday life, we use the word based all the time without even realizing it. You might say, this recommendation is based on my personal experience. Or, the policy is based on fairness and equality. It's a handy word to explain connections or foundations in both casual and formal conversations. Here are a few more examples of based in action. The novel is based on historical events. Her success is based on hard work and determination. This recipe is based on my grandmother's original version. To sum up, today we explored the word based, which means built on something. We learned some useful synonyms like founded, rooted, and grounded, and looked at antonyms like unrelated, independent, and separate. I hope this helps you feel more confident using this word in your conversations. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and join our learning journey. I'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence with based and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and have a great day.